6 years ago, D.K. Shivkumar took charge as president of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee during a difficult phase for the party. Today, he stands as one of the most influential leaders in the Karnataka Congress and currently serves as Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka. Shivkumar's political journey spans more than 4 decades. He began his public life in the early 1980s as a student leader in the Indian Youth Congress. In 1985, he entered electoral politics when he contested from the Sathanur constituency, beginning a career that would see him elected as an MLA 8 times. Over the years, Shivkumar held several key positions in the Karnataka government. He served as Minister for Prisons and Home Guards in the early 1990s, later taking charge as Minister for Urban Development between 1999 and 2004. His role expanded further when he served as Minister for Energy from 2014 to 2018, a period during which Karnataka emerged as a national leader in solar power generation. Between 2018 and 2019, he handled the portfolios of major irrigation and medical education, strengthening infrastructure and water management initiatives in the state. In 2020, he was appointed president of the KPCC, taking on the responsibility of rebuilding the party organization. His leadership played a key role in the Congress victory in the 2023 Karnataka Legislative Assembly election. Following the win, he assumed office as Deputy Chief Minister and now also oversees major responsibilities, including water resources and development initiatives in Bengaluru. To mark 6 years as KPCC President, Shivkumar will host a dinner in Bengaluru on March 10th for Congress MLAs and MLCs. He will also meet candidates who lost the 2023 elections along with district and block Congress leaders.